Hello everyone, friends. Today is the second part of my frames. I am making the backing. I select the material by weight and height, which will imitate the original real frame. For this, I use extruded polystyrene foam. In short, the foam is the hardest, but thin, and even this thin one is too much for me to make a frame, because its height will be further added with glue. Top decor. Therefore, I divide it into two parts. It is hard but cuts quite well, and it will be enough for 2 frames. I cut it in half. Align the final height. I'll be the glue later. And this same glue adheres well to our decorative part. This foam is perfectly suited for all my requirements. It is hard, holds its shape well, it doesn't warp, it doesn't expand or contract, and cardboard adheres well to it from above. I take thick cardboard and cut out the same frame from it. And you can also paint a picture on the leftovers. Thus I have a step for the canvas, and I fill in all the remaining areas with putty. Choose either hard or soft putty depending on the weight you need for the frame. In this case, I use acrylic putty with a little bit of microcalcite added to imitate a nice heavy museum frame. And this foam can also be used excellently to fill in missing elements. It cuts well too, and it adheres to any surface. A very convenient material. Give it a try. And here I want to show that for small oval frames, I used ordinary sculpting mass that I prepared myself. You can find it either on my channel or on the internet. You can either cook any cold porcelain or simply use a mass made from paper, cellulose, or papier-mâché. They can also be sanded well. They can be molded to any relief. And then I proceed with the decoration. Write your questions in the comments. Until the next video. Bye.